Hi, I'm Simon, and in this video I'm going to talk about the High Power Supply System, a feature that was specially developed for Ford Conversion. The High Power Supply System is a combination of power supply options for vehicles with heavy power needs, such as refrigeration, emergency services, and maintenance vehicles. Power is delivered through either the 60 amp customer connection point 1 or the 175 amp customer connection point 2. These come as standard on all transit vehicles. The system is based under the driver's seat and includes twin AGM batteries, engine RPM speed controller, and a Ford programmable battery guard. The AGM batteries offer up to 95 amp hour capacity each for the Transit and 80 amp hour each for the Transit Custom. And the battery guard can cope with loads of up to 200 amps for conversions that require high peak current. The system is pre-fitted in the factory so that the vehicle is prepared for conversion. Fitting this system at factory level reduces the overall conversion time by up to 4 hours. And for our customers, it ensures that the conversion is of a great standard. We find that this all-in-one solution is convenient for vehicle owners who want all their devices to have access to power, whether the vehicle is on the move or stationary. The High Power Supply System is compatible with most vehicles, with the exception of campers, the e-Transit and plug-in hybrid vehicles. To find out more, refer to the Body and Equipment Mounting Manual, the BEM. Speak to your dealer or click on the link below. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.